Daily Scrum. What Daily Scrum really is. Daily Scrum is a developer's 15-minute daily event to inspect real progress toward the sprint goal and adapt the plan for the next 24 hours. It is not just a quick sync. It is where developers look at what has actually happened, update the sprint backlog, and make timely decisions about how to move the work forward. Used well, it exposes impediments early and helps the team stay coherent while delivering a usable increment. Why Daily Scrum exists in Scrum. The purpose of Daily Scrum is to reduce delay in decision-making and keep the team aligned every day. It helps developers focus on the next best moves, protect flow, and avoid losing time through hidden queues, unfinished work, or unclear priorities. It also keeps quality risks visible, especially around integration and the definition of done, so problems do not pile up silently. When Daily Scrum works properly, it reduces the need for extra coordination meetings because the important trade-offs are already being made in time. Who joins and how Daily Scrum runs. Daily Scrum is owned by the developers and happens every working day of the sprint. Holding it at the same time and place usually makes coordination easier, but the real value comes from what the developers do in those 15 minutes. Others can attend when useful, yet the event should not become external reporting or control. The classic 3 questions can be used, but they are optional. What matters is leaving with a clearer plan, better transparency, and a shared understanding of how to progress toward the sprint goal. What to inspect and how to adapt daily. A good Daily Scrum inspects evidence, not impressions. Developers check whether the work still fits the sprint goal, review work in progress that is blocked or aging, and look at the health of the increment, including testing, integration, and readiness against the definition of done. They also make risks, unknowns, and dependencies visible early enough to act on them. The output is not just conversation. It is an updated sprint backlog and a practical plan for the next 24 hours, including what to finish first, where to collaborate, and what follow-up discussions need to happen right after meeting. Common Daily Scrum misuses. Daily Scrum loses its value when it turns into a status meeting for a manager instead of a planning moment for developers. Another common problem is starting new work by default, which increases work in progress and leaves too much almost done. Teams also weaken the event when they try to solve detailed problems inside the 15 minutes, ignore increment health, or fail to update the sprint backlog, so the plan no longer reflects reality. The fix is simple but important. Keep the event developer-owned, focus on finishing and flow, make quality visible, and move deeper problem-solving into a short follow-up with the right people. Learn more on agilesm.net.